Selenium versus QTP, now known as UFT. It ruled the automation space, but times have changed and Selenium has emerged as a champion. Why? Let's compare. QTP is a licensed tool, heavy on cost and resources, while Selenium is lightweight and completely free. QTP supports limited browsers like Internet Explorer and Firefox, whereas Selenium supports Chrome, Safari, Edge, and more, making it perfect for cross-browser testing. While QTP relies on VBScript, Selenium lets you work with modern versatile languages like Java, Python, and C#. Selenium also integrates with variety of tools, TestNG, Jenkins, Maven, and even cloud platforms like BrowserStack, allowing you to extend its capabilities. QTP does not have built-in features like object repositories and data-driven capabilities, but Selenium flexibility and community support make it preferred choice for today's fast-paced project. What's your take on Selenium versus QTP debate? Let me know in the comment. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more testing insights and comparisons.